What is popping, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how I get this cute side part sleek ponytail on non-retwisted locks. So first you're gonna need water or rose water, any type of water that you desire. Then you're gonna need a brush, preferably a soft bristle brush, and then you're gonna need some hairpins, bobby pins, however you call them, and lastly an elastic to put your hair in one. So first I'm just gonna spray my entire head and my roots, my locks, with the rose water just to make sure my hair is damp. Okay, and please, I know my nails need to be done. Okay, don't come for me. All right, like they need to be done. Everything is closed. Okay, so first, like I said, spray your entire head with your rose water, whichever you like. You can put some of your favorite oils in there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just making sure my hair is damp and ready for this style. I find it's better when you wet your hair and make sure it's damp when you do this style, because the locks or your hair stay better in place when it's wet. I find it works very well for me. Okay, now that I'm done, I am going to try and make like a side part. My parts in my locks are not perfect because I did my locks myself. I started it myself, and I'm not really too big on parting when I retwist or interlock my hair. So that's a lot of new growth, guys. This is what I'm showing you there. 5 months no interlock, guys. I'll be interlocking my hair next month. So yeah, I spray again to keep those sections in place. Then I'm gonna brush in the direction that you want your hair to stay. This is going to help the hair stay in that position. Okay, so water and then a brush. There's so much new growth, guys. Oh my god. So now we're gonna work on our side swoop. This is where the bobby pins or hairpins come in, because it's gonna help it stay in place while you put the rest of your locks in one. So I'm just gonna put about 3 just to hold them in, hold that swoop in place. And then after I do that, I'm gonna put my hair in one. And yeah, and then I'll just let the video play from here. Hope you enjoy it, guys. And yeah, I'll see you when it's done. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's like a little mini video of how I do this cute little side part ponytail. This has been my go-to look for like 2 weeks now. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling my hair in the back, you know, laying my baby hairs and stuff like that. Like, it's so cute and like, I don't know, like sophisticated type of look, you know. And yeah, I haven't been feeling to do much with my hair lately, so I'm just coming to you with like unretwisted, uninterlocked hair styles that you can do. So this is one of them, like a basic pullback ponytail, side part ponytail, even though you can't really see my part that well. I have so much new growth, y'all. Like 5 months not interlocked, yeah, like it's a lot of growth. And retwisting doesn't really do much, doesn't really lock my hair as fast as the interlock would. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, leave comments, questions down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.